Hey, I am Isha. Welcome to a new episode. People have become busier and busier nowadays. Life has become too fast with having no time to cook. So, to your rescue is Dixit Foods Sevai Upma, soft and delicious, ready to cook. This particular packet is of 150 grams and it costed me rupees 80. So, let's get started. You need 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here I am using Govardhan ghee. 1 cup water for 1 cup sevai. This should be the ratio. Then you need freshly chopped coriander and some chopped onion strands. In a kadhai, put some oil and to it add chopped onion strands. Tasty tip of the day is you can also add veggies like carrots and green peas just to enhance the taste. Saute onion for a few minutes, then add a cup of water to it and put it to boil. Adding the correct quantity of water is essential cause excess or less water may change the taste and texture. Meanwhile, cut and pour the sevai mixture in a bowl. The quality is excellent with a homely touch to it, and the best part is their products are free of any preservatives or added artificial flavors or colors. They have their specialization mainly in Maharashtrian food products. Once the water starts boiling, add the mix. One packet makes 2 plates sevai upma. It's also known as vermicelli upma and it's a popular South Indian breakfast dish. Now let it cook for a while. Keep stirring occasionally till it's cooked properly. You may also add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Again, mix it well. The upma is ready to be served. Looks so delish and scrumptious, and the aroma, oh my, I just can't wait to have it. Very simple recipe, easy to make within just a few minutes of preparation time. These instant mixes are very handy and are ideal for working professionals, students living abroad, families, for the younger and older generation both. I am happy how it turned out to be the same exact copy of the picture shown. I am garnishing it with some freshly chopped coriander. You can also top it with a bit of cashews, almonds, and raisins for that crunch and sweetness in every bite, and serve hot. Do try out this recipe at home. I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified, and thank you so much for watching.